Hi, good morning and welcome back to another video, guys. It's been a minute. I see some of you have requested that I do a POV of driving the 435 in Eco and in Sport Plus. So I'm going to be doing a POV from here to Mainland. So the car's a little low on gas. I'll put gas on the way back because I don't want to waste too much time in this video, but please do enjoy. She performs well, guys. She really does. It drones. The rear window vibrates heavily every now and then, but it's under certain RPMs. But when you do give it, I don't think it sounds that bad. First things first, gotta wear the belt. Okay, just gonna close that. So all the beeping you are hearing, that is all the rear light issues. I still haven't solved those. I don't know what is wrong with it. I've changed the bulbs. I'm just thinking I am going to do the facelift tail lights because I really do think that these ones are faulty and just old now and tired. But anyway, let's take it for a spin. So currently we are in Eco Pro. Doesn't sound that bad according to me. Some have their reservations about the way it sounds, but look, always do what you love. It makes you much happier. So I'll give it a little bit of a boost here. I'm just waiting for the temperature to rise a bit. I had done the cold start, but the temp is still a little bit low. I think about 2-3 kilometers onto this highway, we should be able to give it some boost. Oh, and there goes my gas. Sport Plus. Oh, my dude. Sometimes I wonder, some people struggle to change lanes. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. I am now leaving the parking lot of where I work. I'm just gonna go pour some petrol, and then we are going to fill it. Man. So, guys, they don't have petrol here. The system is offline. It's not even about cards. I think this is where the petrol shedding starts, but I don't know. I'm just gonna go check that engine garage. Bear in mind, guys, I am still in Eco Pro. Oof, that was rough. So guys, I'm going to refill the washer fluid as well, because it did state that the washer fluid was low. So guys, now we are doing a spot plus run just until the highway begins, and then back to chilling. Okay, let's do some G-force. Okay, I'm gonna drop the windows just slightly, so we can hear if it's coming better from the inside or from the outside. This is the one. I'm only going to stop at 140. I'm not going past 140. Okay, let's make the bend first. Straighten out. Let's go. 80, 100, 120, 140. Now that's a spot plus run. I don't know if you guys can hear the burbles from the car, but they are absolutely amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. For those of you, I hope I met your expectation when you said you wanted to get a Sport Plus video and an Eco Pro video. Please stay tuned. We still do have a lot more content to come.